Talent Search Cameroon is back.
I don't wanna talk about the things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's her destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me up, thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods may throw the dice, the mind just closed his eyes, and someone lay down here, losing someone deep. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? Tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide the likes of me right, and someone way down here losing someone deep. The game is on again, a lover or a friend, a big thing or a small, the winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk, 'cause it makes me feel sad, and I understand. You've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. The winner takes it all, the winner takes it all, the winner takes it all.
Playing now at www.musicwales.org.